It is no longer a secret that Grass has launched, and when it happened like a dream of the night, like a joke, it changed a lot of people's lives. And the Grass project is from the Depin sector within the blockchain space, and that's where Gradient is from. So Gradient as well is also one of the Depin projects. All you have to do is contribute your free internet bandwidth to the network as a node, and in return you're given points, which at the point of token generation or the airdrop phase, you will be airdropped with free tokens. And who knows, you might be airdropped from 0 to 100 to thousands of tokens. I don't know, but let me show you guys how to position yourself right now. Like I said, this is a follow-up video following the previous video. If you haven't watched that video yet, please do well to watch that video where I talked extensively about creating your account, joining the ongoing ZenChain Testnet. So enough said, let us dive right into the details of the Gradient project. First off, here we are on X, and just so you know, here is the X handle for the Gradient network. It is at gradient_HQ. They are the open layer for edge compute on Solana, so this is really built on Solana. As a matter of fact, I think Solana actually shield these guys themselves. So you just want to keep an eye on what the Gradient team are doing. These guys are really active and they are pushing out stuffs every single day. Another thing you can do is to, if I go back now on X, you could leverage X. Now I don't know if you know this, but Twitter is like the #1 place for anything crypto related that you can easily find. Twitter and of course YouTube, but I highly recommend using Twitter X for your research. And one way to do that, as you can see right here, I just typed in Gradient in the search icon of Twitter, and you can see that it is pulling up lots of informations about this project. You can see this guy just says, I just hit 1k Gradient point, it's not too late to join the party. So if you're going down, these are more informations, again, you're strictly sticking to what you came here for. You search for Gradient, to just look out for Gradient. Now you can see this guy, he posted something. He said, Gradient network like Grass node Depin, edge compute on Solana. The Grass price as of the time December 2nd right now was $2.5, and here's the information for him. So that is what we're going to be talking about. So now that you know what Gradient is, I'm not sure if you don't, but if you're just learning about Gradient, please stick through to the end of this video. I'm going to show you everything you need to know, and of course troubleshooting one of like the common problem. So if we go back to Gradient, what essentially is required of you is you need to keep your internet on. If you're using an unlimited internet source, this is way easier. All you have to do is just sign up with the referral link, my referral link in the description box of this video. Download the extensions as you can see right here, and when you have the extensions downloaded, let's just hold on for that to pop up. When you have the extension downloaded, you just keep the internet going, like you keep it on regardless. Now when you see this issue here, again, we're going to talk about this whole issue as we move right on. Okay, so the first things first to do is to use the referral link in the description box, and then when you do that, you connect your email, connect your X, connect your Telegram as well, and then I think Discord. So when you do all of that, if I go over to my profile section, you can see what I am doing right now. I have connected my X, I've connected my Discord, I have inserted my password, and currently I hold the silver status ranking with a 4% boost. And here's what I've done so far: 11,000 XPs to gold out of 24,000. Now I wanted to show you guys something else, some of the reward sessions. Now if you are able to bring in 10 qualified users, now what makes a referral qualified for you to start taking that bonus, which is this 5,000 XPs? What makes a referral qualified is they would have to sign up on Gradient and keep their PCs on for straight 72 hours. And if you do that for 10 people doing that, you get this 5,000 XPs. If you're a team player, secure your first spot qualified referral, right? And that will give you 2000 XPs. You keep in touch, connect your X account. If you do that, you get 1000 XP. I did this already, for some reason I'll have to go through that again. And then, oh yes, these are the XPs used here. Yes, these are the XPs used here. And then if you achieve a 12 hours of daily uptime, I've done this, you get 1000 XPs. And then a normal live, which is a total uptime reaches 72 hours, you get 1000 XP, a warm welcome when you sign up. So this are still pending for me to do. You can see I started from the iron, went over to the bronze, and I'm currently at silver, and my next point is gold, and then platinum, and then diamond. So basically what you guys need to do right now is for me to expose my URL, because you can see I have referred one person, and as that person is already being qualified, you guys can click on the copy referral and it will show you've copied your referral down here, and then you can just share that amongst your friends and your colleagues. And all you have to do is keep your internet on. Now, about keeping your internet on, you just have to keep the tab open and go do other things. So what I mean by keeping the tab open is just ensure that you have opened the tab and your system is on. If you're doing it on your mobile device, I recommend you use a MySpace browser and just have it on. That means the backlight of your phone cannot go off. The display screen has to be on 247 for it to be counting. Or you can use your desktop. You can just open a browser tab, enter the link app.gradient.network, and then sign into your account and you're good to go. Now let us talk about the issue of, because for me at some point, like a whole day, I lost the whole day. I was unable to start my connection, and hence I went back to the Discord server. And in the Discord server, you have the opportunity to meet with other interesting farmers as well. So on the Discord server, the approach to resolving the issue was you have to sign out of the extension, toggle it off, toggle it back on, and that should fix the problem. So now you see disconnected, but it's still counting here. So what I'm going to do is two things. Number one is I am going to go to google.extensions, right? I'm going to go to Google extensions, and from Google extensions I'll navigate. I think pretty much I can even use this. Okay, so here we are. So this is Gradient Sentry node right here. You could just toggle it off, toggle it back on, and once I toggle it back on, if I click on my extensions for Gradient Sentry node, just give it some time to load up. So like I said, this is going to be very easy for you if you have an unlimited data source. I really don't know what the consumption rate would look like if you're not using an unlimited data source, internet source. If you have that, all you have to do is just keep your computer on, keep your PCs on, try to onboard and refer as many as you can, post on your X, post on your Facebook, on your Twitter, do whatever you need to do to put the word out there. So remember, no one thought Grass would do what it's doing, but imagine Grass trading at $3.3 as of the time of recording. That's a lot of money. So here we are on Grass. As you can see, Grass is currently traded for $3. So guys, do not get lazy on this. Start working. Check the description box for the link to get your Gradient account set up. And once you do, guys, step on the gas, work on this full time, ensure to reach as much farming points as you can before this farming season ends. And that brings us to the final note. If you haven't subscribed to Overworks, please guys subscribe. Thank you for watching. I hope that this video gave you value. I hope that now you know what exactly to do in order to farm this project and farm it really hard. And let me know your thoughts in the comment section. If you're having any issues of any kind, just feel free to reach out to me in the comment section, and I will do well to tend to your complaints. Thank you guys for watching.